Hello, my name is Mikael Norin. I'm the CEO of Cavotec. I wanted to take the opportunity to talk to you about our performance last year and how I look at the future for Cavotec. In the beginning of 2021, we launched our strategy to focus on clean tech for ports and industrial applications, and to increase our investments in profitable sustainability and to divest the airports division. Now, we have seen since continued increase in demand for our solutions. And we feel that we are right now at an inflection point where our core markets are undergoing a drastic change to where previous niche markets for clean tech are rapidly becoming mass markets. Now, in Europe alone, more than 2,500 ports will have to drastically reduce emissions by offering shore power to visiting ships in the next 5 to 10 years. And as a sign of things to come, we during last year received a major shore power order from the cruise port of Malta for 5 quays. A project that will be a great reference for Cavotec for years to come. Our automated mooring technology has an equally untapped potential with an estimated 4,700 port quays worldwide suitable for automation to increase efficiency and reduce pollution. It is in this context encouraging that we signed the first ever automated mooring order in Japan, a market known for being very demanding with a focus on quality and performance. With 120 ports in that country, we are excited about having this point of reference. The year also saw a repeat order of MoorMaster by the ferry operator Fjord1 in Norway, as well as the first MoorMaster order in Sweden for the Port of Stockholm. We also launched our Mooring as a Service subscription offering to make automated mooring available for more customers around the world. Customers can now benefit from a fully managed mooring service where Cavotec will install the hardware and cover all the maintenance costs. Now, backed by 2 decades of data on automated mooring, we are well positioned to offer our solutions with attractive performance guarantees to ports. We strongly believe this offering will increase the adoption of automated mooring. Cavotec has over the years equipped some 600 of the world's container ships with its shore power systems. It was therefore not surprising that 2021 saw a lot of new orders for on-ship shore power from major shipping lines like MSC and Maersk and shipyards like Samsung Heavy Industries. In parallel with our order successes in ports and maritime, industry has also done very well, with high demand for our solutions for electrification of heavy-duty applications. Building on our 40 years experience of electrification of industrial equipment, Cavotec is active in the Charging Interface Initiative. Now, that is a network of companies developing global standards for charging battery-powered vehicles, where we focus on high-power, high-speed charging for commercial and industrial vehicles. A great example of our new focus on charging was a large order for spring reels from a fast-growing EV charging systems provider in Germany. All these market activities that I've talked about meant that we recorded a total order backlog of 99 million euros as we exited the year. This is a 71% increase over last year, and yet another confirmation of the growing demand for our products as the world's focus on sustainability increases. Talking about sustainability, I hope that you are as proud as I am of the fact that independent calculations show that we are reducing carbon emissions by tens of thousands of tons per year for each port with our systems. And that is to the benefit of whole communities around those ports. Now, while order intake has been the highlight of our performance in the year, a challenge has been that most of the revenue from the maritime orders will not materialize until this year and onwards, since the planning cycle in the industry is long. As a result, revenue in 2021 was flat compared to the previous year at 115 million euros. Now, that did not stop us from continuing to invest in our future. During the year, we made large investments in sales, marketing, engineering, and technology to meet future demand. Adjusted for those growth investments, we recorded a profit for the year of 6.4 million euros, corresponding to a margin of 5.5%. The process of divesting the airports business is now in its final stage. At the end of February, we signed an agreement to sell the airports division to an investment company based in the US called Fernweh Group. We expect to finalize the transfer of the business to the new owners by the summer. Now, although this will be an important step for Cavotec, it is at the same time with some sadness we will be saying goodbye to colleagues that many of us have worked with for years. I, however, take comfort in that they and the whole airports business will substantially benefit from the focus that the new owners will bring. Looking to the future, with the pandemic hopefully behind us, I believe we are now incredibly well positioned to deliver environmental and financial benefits for our customers through our technology solutions. Let's remind ourselves of the markets we are targeting. Every day, in thousands of ports around the world, mega cargo ships moor and then idle for hours, adding tons of pollution. And the mooring itself is a dangerous job, where people face tremendous risks daily. Equally, most of the world's mobile industrial equipment is powered by polluting diesel engines. Our mission is to change this. We will continue to develop connection and electrification solutions to enable the decarbonization of ports and industrial applications. Just like some brands are leading the successful electrification of the automotive industry, we aim to lead electrification of our markets. 2021 was a year of confirmation for this strategy, and the rapidly growing demand for our solutions is a strong sign of things to come, and why we should be very optimistic for the future of Cavotec. Let's continue our journey to contribute to a world that is cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Let's connect the future.